It's not a myth. Dreams come true. Sometimes you combine your knowledge with your imagination and you create a new idea. I always wondered what it would be like to be in the center of a multi-channel sound sphere. As a sound engineering student, I became obsessed with the idea until I finally designed and patented it. Having no funds, I went to the manufacturing company and offered to make them a promotional video in exchange for their materials and services. Fortunately, they accepted. I started feeling closer and closer to achieving my goal. After that, everything was much easier. A company sponsored me with equipment, and a friend who saw the sphere and believed in the vision offered his expertise, his effort, and his time. Seeing thousands of people being immersed in the 3D sound sphere, I started to realize the impact of what I had created. In response to the audience's feedback, the next step for the sound sphere was to combine it with visuals. I became excited with the idea of doing so through movie trailers, so I decided to get in touch with the appropriate companies for their support. I had no idea how difficult that would be. For a long time, I got no response. Suddenly, I received a message from the biggest mall in my country, and a representative came to my house to test my idea, the 3D sound sphere. A couple months later, we were walking through the back entrance of the mall, and I felt as if I was walking in my dream. A very large cinema company gave the go-ahead to use the trailer, and 2 other companies supported us by giving us equipment. One gave us a computer that could handle the multi-channel signal that Yorgos had created. The other gave us a monitor with a clear and pure image for the trailer. Everything was well organized, everything was in place. One question remained to be answered. How would the visitors respond to my idea? July 15, 2011, the 3D sound sphere was no longer a dream. It was out there in the open, it was real. It was magical. It was working.
It's very good. Il est très bon, c'est très bon.
During 8 4-hour periods, 2,500 people entered the sound sphere to watch the Harry Potter trailer with multi-directional 3D sound effects. The reaction we got from the public was extremely positive. The response we got from the cinema company's PR rep was that they were very impressed by how well the sphere performed as a promotional tool. They also said that with the right presentation, the 3D sound sphere could play a key role in the movie promotion industry. The next step is to share my dream with the world and to bring news of the 3D sound sphere to anyone who can help it reach its potential.